Hello, welcome back to the BirdEase YouTube channel. Today we are proud to announce our brand new feature, which is advanced reporting and budget keeping. In our constant effort to make the event management process as easy as possible for you, we have introduced a brand new Finances tab to your BirdEase event management dashboard. You will find this brand new feature listed under the Reports dropdown in Finances. As you can see, this feature gives you a very enhanced breakdown of revenue and cost to your event. At the top, you'll see a total revenue box, a total expenses box, and then a net amount raised. You can break down your event revenue by registration items, sponsorship opportunities, donations, your auction, as well as any other streams of revenue. You can add other forms of revenue manually by clicking Add Item. Under Expenses, you can add manual expenses in the same way by clicking Add Item. To break down your revenue and expenses by item, you'll want to go to your registration items and click the pencil icon to edit an item. Under Advanced Options, you'll see the option to indicate a cost of goods. If you sell a foursome for $700, but the foursome itself costs you $200, you can add the cost of goods of $200 and update that item. Same goes for any sponsorship opportunities. Now when we return to the Finances tab, you'll see that the expenses are broken down more thoroughly. You'll see that the cost of goods for all of those foursomes is now factored in, as well as any purchases of that particular sponsorship package. You'll also find an option to download your finance report. This will break down each item, the revenue or expense associated with it, and the category that it falls under, whether that be a registration item, a sponsorship opportunity, a donation, or otherwise. It's important to note that the BirdEase software and team is not responsible for the accuracy of these revenue and expenses. Because we don't work intimately with your event, you will be responsible for providing all costs and revenues associated with the items on your site. Always ensure that when you indicate the cost of goods for an item or sponsorship package, that you double check the amount provided, as this is what the system will pull from. Also in this update, we released enhanced attendee reporting. You'll now have a dedicated tab for your golfers, as well as any other attendee types, like dinner guests. If you're running a multi-sport event, you may have several tabs for golfers, pickleball players, tennis players, and so on. Here you'll see the name of your golfer, their contact information, their course assignment, as well as any custom questions that you've asked of them, such as allergies, preferences, clothing sizes, and so on. You'll find an option to download a physical Excel spreadsheet copy of this report here using the Download Report button. We are so excited to be rolling out this new feature. As always, if you have any questions in regards to this new feature or any other part of your site, please reach out to our dedicated support team anytime at help@birdeasepro.com, and a member of the BirdEase support team will be in touch to help you out with whatever you need. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing how this helps you at your next event.